Most people get Messenger Lite wrong by thinking it automatically links to Facebook Lite, but connecting the two is simple once you know the steps. Today, they'll show you how to connect Messenger Lite to Facebook Lite so you can stay in sync with all of your messages. First, make sure both apps are installed on your phone. Messenger Lite is a lightweight version of Facebook Messenger, and Facebook Lite is a compact Facebook app designed for low data usage. Most people get this wrong by trying to use full Messenger with Facebook Lite. It works, but Messenger Lite is faster and uses less data. Open Facebook Lite and log into your account. Then open Messenger Lite. It will ask you to log in with your Facebook account. Use the same credentials you use for Facebook Lite. Once logged in, your Facebook Lite friends list automatically syncs with Messenger Lite. You'll see all your contacts and messages from your Facebook account will appear seamlessly in Messenger Lite. If you already have an account in Messenger Lite, go to Settings, select Accounts, and make sure your Facebook Lite account is connected. Most people get this wrong by assuming the apps sync automatically without checking account settings. Now, when you send messages in Messenger Lite, they appear in Facebook Lite chats too, and vice versa. You can also send photos, stickers, and emojis with minimal data usage. Messenger Lite is optimized for slower connections, so it's perfect if you have limited internet access. In conclusion, connecting Messenger Lite to Facebook Lite is straightforward. Log in with the same account, check your settings, and your messages stay synced. It's a great way to save data while keeping all your conversations in one place. Subscribe for more step-by-step social media tutorials to help you get the most out of your apps.